Ladies, listen to me. Weight training is the quickest, easiest way to change your body, bar none. It doesn't matter how old you are, you can weight train. It doesn't matter if you feel like that you are unfit or overweight, you can weight train. It doesn't matter if you feel like you're too weak, you can still pump that iron. Ladies, pumping iron, lifting weights is the quickest, easiest way to get stronger. It's the quickest, easiest way to change your body, and it's not even close. Pilates can't change your body like weight training. Yoga can't change your body like weight training. Jogging can't change your body like weight training. No other group exercise workout program or exercise singly can change your body like weight training. Not only that, weight training will make you a fat burning machine, not a fat storing human being. Weight training will give you an afterburn effect. That means that long after you are finished with a bout of weight training, your body will continue to burn calories and fat at a higher level for up to 14 hours. Weight training puts you in the position to not worry about every morsel of food you're gonna put in your mouth, because weight training boosts your metabolism, allowing you to burn the extra calories with relative ease. Weight training is the most effective tool to make you feel stronger and give you confidence that you have never had before. So ladies, I urge you right now today to get out there and start weight training, because it's gonna be the best workout and single exercise that you could possibly do that's gonna change your life.